In this TreeRing Time video, we're going to set up a default employee profile. An employee profile is useful when there are default values for common business rule assignments that can be applied to an employee, thus saving time when adding employees. For example, if a large number of employees share the same holiday policy, lunch policy, time offset, these values can be set in a default profile and be added in an automated fashion when using the Apply Default option on the Employee Rules taskbar. To configure a default profile for the Employee Rules form, follow this procedure. Under Employee, select Default Profiles. Click Add New Profile. Enter a name for the profile. Select a time offset. We're going to select Eastern Standard, an overtime policy, whatever you have configured for policies. We'll stay with weekly 40. A holiday plan, full-time, rounding rules. There is 15. There could be others. A comp plan, rate matrix, a PTO plan. If there are any vendor or job levels or departments that this should apply for. A lunch plan. 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 45. If there's a particular schedule that should be applied to this profile. This will appear, as mentioned earlier, in the employee rules. The e-time clock profile. A pay period. If there's a main supervisor. If there is a hierarchy plan. If the employee is salaried. When finished, click Save, and the new default profile appears. Now you can use this whenever setting up a new employee. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to watch other videos on our channel.